Even over just the last decade or so, obesity rates have spiraled out of control. Are GLP-1 receptor activators the long-sought-after panacea for obesity? Well, first of all, what is GLP-1? The gastrointestinal tract is known as the largest hormone-secreting gland in the human body, releasing more than 20 peptide hormones. About 1 out of every 100 cells lining our entire digestive tract acts as a nutrient sensor and can secrete hormones accordingly, including GLP-1, Glucagon-like peptide 1. The primary stimuli for GLP-1 secretion are meals rich in fats and carbohydrates, and the main action of GLP-1 is to signal nutritional abundance to the brain, reducing our appetite so we don't eat too many donuts. GLP-1 also slows things down, allowing us more time to digest, and the slowing of the rate at which food leaves our stomach helps with blood sugar control after a meal, so GLP-1 hormone-mimicking drugs were actually first developed to treat type 2 diabetes. The reason you can't just give people GLP-1 directly is because it's broken down so quickly it hardly even makes it one time around the circulation, thanks to inactivation by an enzyme in our body. But then a compound was discovered that activates GLP-1 activity, but was resistant to enzyme breakdown, and it was found in a lizard. It's a constituent of Gila monster venom, and the first drug was born. Using that as a template, the first GLP-1 agonist was created and approved for the treatment of diabetes about 20 years ago. Instead of half lasting 2.5 minutes in the body, it lasted about 2.5 hours, but still had to be injected twice a day. Then came liraglutide, which lasts all day, but even once a day injections can be a pain. Enter semaglutide, branded as Ozempic, which could be injected just once a week. It was approved to treat diabetes in 2017. Within a few years, a daily oral version had been developed, again for diabetes, but researchers running those clinical trials noticed a surprising side effect. People's appetites diminished. Indeed, if you drip the hormone GLP-1 into people's veins, it reduces their appetite, leading to decreased food intake. And not just a little, we're talking about a decrease in caloric intake by as much as 25 to 50%. The GLP-1 hormone not only slows stomach emptying, so you feel fuller longer after eating, but also works as an appetite suppressant by triggering parts of the brain responsible for hunger and cravings. GLP-1 secreting cells don't only line our intestines, they're also in our brains. So GLP-1 agonist drugs, meaning GLP-1 mimicking drugs, work kind of like the way birth control pills do. Birth control pills mimic placental hormones, thereby tricking our body into thinking we're pregnant all the time. Ozempic-type drugs mimic GLP-1, thereby tricking our body into thinking we're eating all the time, so it dials down our hunger drive. In 2021, semaglutide, originally approved as Ozempic to treat diabetes, was rebranded at a higher dose as Wegovy to treat obesity, and the weight loss industry changed overnight, shifting away from meal replacements and portion control plans to the new world of private equity-funded telemedicine entities set up to offer these injectable weight loss drugs. Even Weight Watchers has openly embraced these kinds of drugs as the future of weight loss. They were even approved for kids as young as age 12, tweens, not even teens. Is that a good idea? What are the pros and cons of these new weight loss medications? That's just what I'll cover next.